center of the track. You're going to watch him try to stand a school bus on its nose. Get your cameras ready. Check that out, Butler. All right, get your cameras ready. Twisting it in the air. The nose twirl. Put it up on the nose. Let's see. Going for the big wheelie. How about it for the Deidra Donuts? Miss overboard. Once again. Check this out. Putting it in reverse. The moonwalk from Mikey. Going for it once again here, fans. Can he get it up? Get a little bit of bonus action. Look at the air from the Avenger. Biggest stage. Now watch the green flag up in the center of the track. Big air and a big crunch from Avenger. Incredibly. Watch when the nose goes down. Watch the green flag. Green flag is out. And once again with the rematch flag drop here in the finals. Here we go, Butler, Indiana. With Buffalo Tremor, put your hands together, Butler. Check out the bounce. There you see it, man. Pull it up to the top. Makes a move. He's not done yet. Up and over the top. Look at this. Climbing the big hill. Here, higher education. Look at the incredible skill as he balances that truck on the front wheels, walking it all the way to the bean field. Air up and over the big hill. Here he goes again. Now crossing it up over the junk cars. Fans, let's hear it for higher education. Butler, some of the biggest air of the day. Big momentum as Miss Overboard attacks the track. presence with big air over the big hill. Huge cross thread, one stack right into the next, landing right on it.